This is my go-to lower body stretching routine. I do it without fail almost every day. So you can use an elevation for your head if you feel you need to. You can make yourself comfortable. The most important thing here is to do the stretches very comfortably. There should be some amount of pain, but not as much pain where you cannot hold the stretch for a long time. So the pain should be bearable. If you're using a yoga belt, make sure you loop it, meaning you close the ends. So usually a yoga belt is open. So you latch the belt, make it a closed loop. If you're using a resistance band, a long one, then you have nothing to worry. So we're going to start with a warm-up stretch. Okay. So just understanding how flexible we are here. If you're not able to keep your leg here, like my right leg here, perpendicular to the floor, you can keep it a little lower, start from there and progress. So warm up stretch, just about 30 seconds each side. So make sure the other leg is, so I'm working my left leg, make sure the right knee is up and the right foot is on the floor, ensuring the lower back is pressed completely on the floor. So starting the first one, the actual stretch, the hamstring focused stretch. It is recommended that you place your other leg here, the left leg, on an elevated surface, in this case a foam roller, especially if the leg is tight. Now switching onto the other side, stretching the left leg and placing the right leg on the foam roller. So in this stretch, especially the hamstring focused, we want to place the lower back, the entire spine on the floor. And think of pulling the working leg towards your chest. Stretch 2, adductor groin focus. Now again wrapping the belt around the right foot, grabbing it with the right hand, and then opening your hip out. Your right hip here, right leg. It's okay if the left lower back lifts up slightly. Try and press it down, your left hip. If not, it's okay if the left hip lifts up slightly. So I'm switching legs, wrapping the belt around the left foot, extending the right, placing it on the foam roller, grabbing the belt with the left hand. It's okay if your left leg here is not perpendicular to the floor. You can keep it a little lower. You can see here now my right hip slightly lifts up the right side of my lower back, which is okay. The idea is to just keep pushing the hip, the lower back down towards the floor. It's okay if it lifts up. The shoulders, upper back firmly placed on the floor. Here you can take a break. You can take a short break here, resting your arms and legs before we move on to the third stretch, which is the abductor outer thigh stretch. Wrapping the belt around the right foot, grabbing the belt with the left hand now, and this is a twist. So make sure the right shoulder is pressed down. The right shoulder may feel like lifting up. Make sure you press the right shoulder down. On the other side, left leg, extend the right, place it on the foam roller. Grab the belt with your right hand now and drop your left leg to the right side, twisting the lower body. Drop it slower. It's okay if the foot doesn't reach the floor. And that's about it. So this is the three-way belt stretch. So once you finish this, you can just add a double leg hamstring stretch, maybe for about 30 seconds to 1 minute. And that should do. Stretching should be done in a progressive manner, meaning the first set maybe at 30 seconds, the second set at 45 seconds, and third at 60 seconds.